In this video, I will show you how to fix Snapchat map not updating your location. First, launch open the Snapchat app on your device. Now tap on the map icon. Here, tap on the settings icon. Now make sure ghost mode is turned off. If ghost mode is enabled, your location won't be updated or shared on Snap Map. After that, check the location services are enabled for Snapchat. For that, long press on the Snapchat app, then tap on this app info icon. On app settings, you want to look for the option of permission, select that. Now find the option of location. Make sure that you have selected allow all the time or allow only while using the app. Also toggle on the option of use precise location. Now go back to Snapchat, then open the Snap Map and refresh and check if your issue has been fixed. If your location still isn't updating, make sure you have stable internet connection. Also update Snapchat from Play Store or App Store and then try. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.